name is Beary the bear. I'm not that scary, actually. I like to laugh. I like to have fun. Ooh, I know a lot about nature. Yes, I know. Now let me dance. Yeah. Are black-eyed Susans. Yes, they're the Maryland state flower. Yeah. Yeah. They're black in the middle. See? And they have yellow around the outside. I'm trying to eat them, but they didn't taste so good. I like fish better. Wow, that's a morning glory. It opens in the morning and closes at night. Sometimes I see them, and they're very pretty too. See, it's almost on the way open. I want to eat it, but my mommy said no. Leave it free, let it be. Birds have light hollow bones that help them fly. Female cardinals are brown. Male cardinals are red. Clap your hands together. Clap your hands together. Yeah! There are many different types of chipmunks. All have striped backs. They are curious and friendly. They eat nuts, seeds, fruit, and sometimes insects. Now it's time for Quiz Time with Beary! Question number 1. What is your favorite movie star, Beary? Well, me, of course. Well, that answers the first question. Now, Beary, who was your second favorite movie star? You know, I don't really have an answer to that. I guess it's me because, like, I can be tons of movie stars. I don't know. Okay. Although there are many types of squirrels, they all have fur on their tails. Only 3 squirrels are large and gray. Twinkle, twinkle, row your boat gently down the moonlight stream. This is a corn snake. Corn snakes are often found in cornfields. Black rat snakes are also called pilot blacks. Yummy. Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy. Although there are many types of squirrels, they all have fur on their tails. Only 3 squirrels are large and gray.